Getting started with Kidsday. The Kidsday dashboard is designed specifically for center administrators, providing easy access to key features and tools. It is structured into three main sections: the top bar, the sidebar, and the page content. The top bar is your command center for quick access to essential features and tools. Notifications displays a real-time badge showing the number of new notifications. Quick action buttons provide shortcuts for frequently used tasks. Simply click the desired button to jump straight into the corresponding task. Attendance tracking. Track your working hours by clicking Start Work. The tracker will run in the background, recording your time automatically. Search functionality helps you quickly find staff, parents, or children within your center. Start typing to see results matching your search input. Located on the left side of the screen, the sidebar provides easy access to all primary navigation links. Your name is displayed at the bottom of the sidebar, offering quick links to your profile, center settings, attendance reports, the Help Center, and the option to log out. Now let's explore the dashboard content. Children attendance. Here, you'll find an overview of today's children's attendance reports, either for all classrooms collectively or for individual classrooms. To view detailed information, click on the status number to see the list of children for any specific status. You can see current staff for each room by clicking over staff profile images. Billing section provides a quick overview of open and paid invoices and becomes visible only after you start creating invoices. Admissions. When staff members or parents submit admission forms, their submissions will appear here, awaiting your approval or rejection. Help topics. Some getting started help topics are listed here as a shortcut from Kidsday Help Center. Upcoming events. We'll list information such as upcoming birthdays, events, and appointments for the next 30 days. Click on event items to view details and take any necessary actions. Teachers by activity. An activity log displaying teachers and their recent activities, organized by time. Today reports, a numerical overview of today's children's reports. At the bottom of the dashboard content, you'll find highlighted blog posts with useful information from the Kidsday blog resources. The help icon is accessible from anywhere in the app, providing information specific to the current page and offering quick access to the Help Center when needed. Finally, when you're done working, don't forget to stop the work tracking from the top bar.